It is a little-known fund with a major debt problem, and it may cost you some money.
Missouri legislators created the Second Injury Fund to encourage employment, but now the program is $28 million short and getting deeper into debt every year. KSBR's Mary Maloney is in our studio to explain the complicated situation. Mary?
Joe, essentially the Second Injury Fund is meant to stop discrimination of the disabled. If a worker has some kind of disability or pre-existing medical condition and gets injured on the job, the fund awards the worker benefits. But because it's in debt, many Missourians who can't work have to wait to get the money they deserve. For more than half his life, Tommy Black drove a truck.
You're talking to guys been hit by a car. I had a piano fall on me and broke my pelvic bone, and I just, I've had a colorful life, to say the least.
But that colorful life came to a stop when he got hurt on the job.
It's very intense. It's like taking a rod, just a dull rod, and having it stabbed into your spine.
In an instant, his days of driving a truck were over. A pre-existing medical condition made Black eligible for money under the Second Injury Fund. A judge awarded him over $22,000. About a month later, Black received this letter stating the government can't pay him the money.
A person could jump up and down and scream and holler about it, but it's frustrating.
The money comes from a surcharge businesses pay on workers' compensation insurance. In 2005, lawmakers capped the fee. Black's attorney, Ryan Murphy, says the legislature created a major problem.
Essentially, it got rid of none of the liability of the Second Injury Fund. It only got rid of its funding mechanism, meaning you still owe it, but we're not going to give you the ability to pay it. It really didn't make any sense whatsoever.
Lawmakers now want to increase the surcharge on businesses. Until then, people like Black still have to wait.
Your electric bill still comes in. Your home insurance, you still got to, all of that stuff you've got to take care of, and there's no money there.
As people like Black wait for the money, the claim still collects interest at 10% per year. The Attorney General says if something isn't done, the cases could cost more than $100 million. Joe?
Thanks, Mary. The state and the House each passed bills to raise the surcharge for businesses. The General Assembly has 2 weeks to come to a compromise.